Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next content of the depreciation. Today I will tell you the method of recording the depreciation with the help of provision by using the straight line methods only, but the same questions you have to discuss in the next video related with the by using the diminishing balance method. So now you may have to see here the question is the method of recording of the depreciations I have already told you by charging to the asset. This is the one thing. It means that all the things are to be shown to the asset. Now I am getting the second method by charging to the asset. That means the charging of the asset means with the creation of the provision, and when the provision is created along with the asset, sometime the disposal is open, sometime disposal is not open. So here the along with the assets only the provision for depreciation can be open, and the second is along with the asset the provision for depreciation and the asset disposal account is open. I am telling in this video only the methods of straight line method, but here the same question can be done with the help of the two methods, straight line and written down methods. Now the question is same as I have already taken with the help of the without taking the provision. You may see the all these statements are same, like the 1st January plant purchase for 9 lakh, and on 1st December 15 the part of plant purchase on the 1st June 2013 with the value of 1 lakh 50, that means sold for the 60,000. And now the last in the same day, the 1st January 2016, that means the new plant has been purchased with the value of 6 lakh. The question is same, but this question will be solved with the help of straight line method only, and then in the next video you will see the same question with the diminishing balance method. So here I am telling you the plant account and the provision for depreciation account is how will you open, but the last one I will tell you the plant provision for depreciation and disposal along with the straight line method how will you open. Now you may see here, the first is the straight line method. We have to prepare plant account. We have to prepare provision for depreciation. It is compulsory. Disposal is not compulsory, but it can be prepared along with the provision. Otherwise, the things can be done of the plant disposal along with the plant account. So, first of all, you may see here the questions straight line method. This method is referring to the plant account, and the plant account is to be listed on the machinery plant purchase or sold, means asset purchase or asset sold. So you see here the 1st June plant is purchased at 9 lakh, and it will remain till 9 lakh. The balance is forwarded 9 lakh. Again it is to be forwarded to the third year 9 lakh, and the new machinery again purchase with the 3 lakh. So two bank is there. And now you may see here the buy bank and the buy provision and buy profit and loss. This is the last time period of the one part of the plant has been sold. So how will you calculate this? Years to years I am moving now. First entry is plant purchase, that is to bank with the 9 lakh. This is your first. Now I am moving to the depreciation. Provision for depreciation, it means the depreciation will be shown here with the entry of the depreciations to the provision for depreciation. So that's why the time period is for the 10 months on the 1,50,000 and the 7,50,000, total of 9 lakh, that is 75,000. So the balance is now forwarded to the next year with the amount of the 75,000, and the next year because the no machinery purchase, no sold, so the again the depreciation is to be charged with the um, full value 15,000 and the 75,000 because the method is straight line. There is no change in the charging of the depreciation, but the entry is to bank first year, then charge the depreciation, and then the depreciations to be transferred to the profit and loss account. In the same manner, uh, depreciation account you are not opening here. If you want to open, that means you have to pass the entry into the depreciation account to provision and to be charged from the by profit and loss. The automatically the depreciation account will be closed. with the amount of first year 75,000, second year the value of the depreciation 90,000, and the third year depreciations with the 92,500 club the both. So this is the aspect now. So the depreciation account is not getting too much calculations. Only the provision account is getting. So here you may see the first year the 10-month depreciation is charged. Now the balance is to be forwarded next year. And now I am moving to the plant account again. The second year no purchase, no sale. The balance is forwarded to the next year. And now here you may see only the depreciation for the complete year is charged, and the balance is to be forwarded 1,65,000 total to the third year. Now again you may see here the plant account. Now because the day of purchasing and the selling of the plant. So you may have to write down the first the balance forwarded and then to the new machinery purchase on 1st January. You may list here, and then the buy bank, that means the value of machinery sold 1,50,000 at the cost of 60,000. And now the buy depreciation, it is coming from the depreciations account with the full amount of the depreciation charged on the 1,50,000 cost machinery. How will you see this? Now you may have to go back to the provision for depreciation. The first machinery is getting 12,500 first year, and the second time it is getting 15,000. Third time it is used for the 8 months. Now you may see the buy depreciation has been written for the 8 months, that is 10,000. You have to make the total of all these. Now you may see the working note is also there. When you make the total, it comes 37,500. So this 37,500 will be shifted to the plant account if disposal account is not there. If the disposal account is there, then this value will be shifted to the disposal account. At this time, you may see I have written the both word plant or disposal. If you are not preparing disposal, then this value is to be shifted to the plant account. And when it is to be shifted to the plant account, so the depreciation for provision will come here on the credit side 37,500. See the difference and compare the difference with the value of 1,50,000 going to sell, and that means the difference is coming 52,500 and the machinery will be closed. And now you may see only the 7,50,000 and 3 lakh machinery is remaining. Now the total is leading to the 10,50,000. So when you are not preparing the disposal account from the provision, the depreciations for provision will be shifted to the plant account, and when it is shifted to the plant account, the sale value and the profit and loss will take the place in the plant account. But if you are making the disposal account, then the value of provision shifted to the disposal, and then the bank provision for depreciation and profit and loss will be shown to the provision. Here you have to see only the value of 1,50,000 transferred to the disposal. So this is the scheme. Now I am moving to the last year by using only the straight line method. As you have prepared the third year balances, I have forwarded of the plant with the 9 lakh, provision by balance brought down with the 1,65,000, and the disposal account, that is prepared. Disposal account is prepared on the year of sale of any asset. So here you may see after passing this, how will you pass the entry? First, out of the provision, you have to shift the provision for depreciations to the disposal account. So you may see in the provision for depreciation account, two disposal word is there. 37,500 is shifted to the plant disposal account by the 37,500. And from the plant, the value of machinery 1,50,000 will be shifted to the disposal account. You may see the buy disposal is listed there, shift to the 1,50,000 here. Now what now do you have to see? The buy bank is there, that is the sale price you may list, and see the difference of the both side. If the credit side is less, that means indicating the loss 50,500. Sometimes it may be more, then it will lead to the profit to the debit side. So this is the close. Immediately the plant disposal account will be closed. Now you have to come to the plant account now, as you have written balances. Second is the disposal, and third is new machinery purchase, and then you have to calculate the balance after this. And now the provision account, you may see buy balance is listed, sale value is depreciation sale value is already listed for the 8 months, and now the disposal is listed. Now you have to calculate the by depreciation on the remaining machinery. The by depreciation word is referring to how will you calculate the whole year value of the 7,50,000. You have to apply the rate 75,000, and on the 3 lakh machinery you have to apply for 3 months. So the value will come and then calculate the balance. So this is the scheme of the straight line methods you may see for the without disposal and with disposal how to prepare. Thank you.